Vinyl isn't just back, it's cooler than ever. From TV shows like Severance to blockbuster movies, turntables are popping up everywhere. But here's the thing, not all turntables are created equal. If you're serious about sound quality, you need a deck that delivers more than just nostalgia. Today on Consumer Picks, we're diving into the top 5 best turntables of 2025, ranked from solid contenders to the absolute best. Whether you're new to vinyl or a seasoned collector, we've got the perfect turntable for you. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews, and check out the product links in the description to grab your favorite turntable. Let's spin into it. If you're stepping into the world of vinyl and want something reliable without breaking the bank, the Audio-Technica ATLP70X is a budget-friendly beast that punches way above its price tag. This isn't just a beginner's turntable, it's a gateway to a whole new listening experience. Fully automatic operation means with a single push of a button, your record starts spinning effortlessly. No manual arm lifting, no fuss, just pure vinyl bliss. It also features a built-in switchable phono preamp, making it super versatile. Whether you're connecting to powered speakers or an amplifier, it's plug-and-play ready. And for the wireless crowd, there's even a Bluetooth version, so you can enjoy that warm, analog sound without the hassle of cables. For around $200, the ATLP70X offers exceptional value. It's the perfect entry point for new vinyl enthusiasts, or even a solid backup deck for seasoned collectors. Now, if you're looking to move the crowd, the Audio-Technica ATLP140XP is built for DJs who need performance, precision, and power. Unlike most belt drive turntables, this one is direct drive, meaning the motor spins the platter directly. Why does that matter? DJs love it because it offers instant startup speeds, rock-solid stability, and the ability to scratch and reverse without hurting the motor. Weighing in at 22 pounds, the LP140XP is a tank. Its die-cast aluminum platter is damped with a dense, felt-like material to reduce vibrations, while its 4 adjustable feet keep it stable, even when the bass is thumping. While it doesn't have Bluetooth or USB, that's because this deck is designed for pure analog performance. You'll find all the DJ essentials here: pitch control slider, reverse switch, pitch lock, and a pop-up strobe light for cueing tracks in low-light settings. For around $500, this is a pro-level DJ turntable without the Technic's price tag. Whether you're spinning at clubs or at home, the LP140XP won't miss a beat. If you're deep into the Sonos ecosystem, the Victrola Stream Carbon is the perfect turntable to complete your setup. This isn't just a turntable, it's a bridge between the warmth of analog and the convenience of wireless streaming. As a Works with Sonos certified device, it connects directly to any Sonos speaker. No additional gear needed. Just pair it through the Victrola Stream app and control everything from the Sonos app. Under the hood, it features an Audiophile 2 M-Red cartridge, known for its dynamic sound and detailed clarity. The carbon fiber tone arm reduces unwanted resonance, while the dense MDF plinth and cast aluminum platter keep vibrations to a minimum. The magic happens with its built-in analog-to-digital converter, which streams your vinyl in stunning 24-bit 48 kHz digital quality. Want to go old school? No problem. It also supports traditional analog setups with RCA outputs. For Sonos lovers, the Stream Carbon is a no-brainer. It's sleek, sounds incredible, and makes playing vinyl as easy as hitting play on your phone. The Fluence RT85N is the definition of bang for your buck. For around $500, you get features typically found on turntables twice the price. The star of the show is the Nagaoka MP110 cartridge, a $150 gem known for its warm, balanced sound. It handles everything from classic rock to jazz like a pro, with crystal-clear highs, rich mids, and deep, punchy bass. At 17.7 pounds, this thing is a heavyweight, literally. Its MDF plinth provides rock-solid stability, while the high-density acrylic platter eliminates unwanted vibrations. Pair that with the S-shaped aluminum tone arm and adjustable isolation feed, and you've got one of the quietest, most stable turntables on the market. There's no Bluetooth or USB and no built-in preamp, but that's the point. The RT85N is designed for pure analog excellence, perfect for audiophiles who want to pair it with their own high-end phono stage. Plus, the auto-stop feature is a lifesaver. It stops spinning when your record ends, preserving both your stylus and your sanity. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The best turntable of 2025, the pro-ject debut Carbon Evo. This turntable is the perfect blend of high-end performance and elegant design. Its upgrades are subtle but powerful. A redesigned motor with improved suspension, adjustable sound-dampening aluminum feet, and a 3.7-pound steel platter with a thermoplastic damping ring to reduce distortions. The carbon fiber tone arm isn't just for looks. It provides precise tracking with minimal resonance. Paired with the Sumiko Rainier moving magnet cartridge, you get a sound that's punchy, balanced, and full-bodied, like a finely crafted beer. The only downside? No built-in preamp. But trust me, that's not a deal-breaker. Pair it with a high-quality external phono preamp like the Schiit Mani 2, and you'll unlock sound quality that built-in preamps can't touch. Available in 9 stunning finishes, the debut Carbon Evo isn't just the best-sounding turntable, it's the best-looking too. And there you have it, the best turntables of 2025. Whether you're a vinyl newbie or a seasoned audiophile, there's something here to elevate your listening experience. All the product links are in the description below, so check them out if you're ready to spin your next record on one of these amazing turntables. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest product reviews from Consumer Picks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the vinyl spinning.